And welcome back to Simply NUC. I'm Sean, your senior support technician. Today I'm going to give you a few quick tips on how to troubleshoot your slow internet. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do if you're running into slow internet is, go ahead and run a speed test. You can find speed tests just by going to Google and typing in speed test. Google has one, Ookla has one, those are great. Run a speed test and see if you're actually getting slow internet speeds. Now, if you are and you're not receiving the speeds that you should be getting, a few things you want to take into consideration. Are you connected via Wi-Fi? Are you hardlined to the unit? Are you hardlined directly to the modem, switch, router? Those are some things you want to take into account whenever trying to troubleshoot slow internets. First thing you're going to want to do though is make sure your drivers are updated. For your NIC port, you want to make sure you go to your manufacturer's website, pull the driver, and make sure that it's the most recent up-to-date driver there is. Second thing you would want to do is you would want to power cycle your equipment, see if that gets the internet going again. If not, you can always take your unit and work backwards. So you can plug into the router. If you're currently plugged into a router, you will want to see if you're getting slow internet there. If you are, go back a step and connect to the modem. If you're not getting slow internet at the modem, then you know your router could be the issue. It just needs to be updated. Third thing you want to try is just contacting your ISP. There may be some issues that are further upstream or downstream that are causing slow internet, and they may be able to further assist you with that. Those are our quick tips on how to troubleshoot slow internet. Thank you again for choosing Simply NUC.